How to log into WeChat account. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your WeChat account. For that, you'll have to create an account first, and once you have created it, to log in, open your application on your device, and once you reach to this interface, here at the left bottom you will see login option. Click on login and you will be taken to this page. Here you will have to enter your country code and your mobile number associated with your WeChat account. You can also use these other login options to log into your WeChat account. Once you have entered your mobile number and the country code, tap on this accept and continue button. Wait for a while and now you will have to enter your password here. You can also use this login via SMS verification code option if you don't want to enter your password. After that, click on this login option below. Here you'll have to solve this puzzle to verify you are not a robot. So in this way you can log into your WeChat account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.